Already down to gold. I haven't played competitive, I don't know how long. I think the last time I played competitive was like maybe... Thank you for the gif up my bum with the follow. Thank you so much.
Give me every time.
Anyway, yeah, like on paper I'm the biggest threat to Hanzo, but honestly I'm just a shit-stained one-ply dollar store toilet paper covered in corn from Taco Bell last night. That's basically what I am towards Hanzo. Alright, I'm gonna try to get my ulti and then just switch over to a different character. Is this the play? Is this the play? Is this the play? Nope. Of course I get caught? No, 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 no. Thank you! Let's go! Oh my god, I'm erect right now. Let me get a good ulti so I can finally climax. Oh shit! Oh shit! Yeah, I can't win this. I can't win this. I can't win this. I win this! Boom! Leave! So, man, how you doing?
Nope, 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 nope.
And okay, here's a top tip. If you want to make sure you don't get killed by me, just stand the fuck still. Overwatch is one of those like games where I don't know, it's one of those games that it's like you said, it's like a girlfriend, but it's like an ex-girlfriend you know in high school that cheats on you every single time she gets. And no matter what she does, she always... No matter what she does, it's like you know she's gonna cheat on you, but she gives you the greatest blowjob on the planet. And you can't help. You can't help but just say yes when she says, "Hey, you up?" And you're just like, "Fuck it, I'm just gonna put on my pants and just wear 2 condoms and just go for it," because I love her, even though she just completely just destroys my soul. I never knew what anal feels like, but that's what just happened. I got rammed in the ass by a hamster like a Mr. Slave from South Park, and I just get thrown into like a dual dragon of fucking dongoloids right into my face. Giving up on life and just waiting. I got banana what? I got banana what? I didn't hear you. You need to finish? No, okay. God damn it, I hate the fucking Doomfist, man. God, you know, I came up with a fucking fantastic skin. A fucking fantastic skin for Doomfist. This is what he is. He's a doctor, right? And his big fist is a glove. And before he even does his, like, charge, you don't hear zzz, all you hear is him getting some lube ready to just fist you up the ass. And then when he goes up to do his, like, meteor strike, he doesn't yell meteor strike. He's like, let me check your prostate, or colonoscopy. That was my...
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Fucking Widowmaker took my shot. I was about to nail fucking Tracer in the face. Get him, get him, get him. There we go. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Get away from here. Dang, just keep... Let's go! Get away from here! He can do that? I did not know he can hook a damn tire. Really, dude? You gonna solo ult me, you little whore? My God. If you solo ult, you're literally telling people that you poured the milk before the cereal. You're telling people you're a psychopath. Yeah, I'm gonna try to keep it PG. Try to do a PG Christian stream over here. Fuck! Okay, the PG stream is over. You're gonna die, Zarya! Die! Accept your death! Play the game. Alright, cool. That is some bad BM on my part. Oh, jeez. Oh man, I wasn't expecting that to be in the play of the game. Oh Jesus Christ, that is such BM.